Hello everyone, Marty Richards with Richland Center Tourism once again. I'm here with Judy Lewis up at Oakwood Fruit Farm. We've kind of done a nice job of explaining the process and procedure of grading and packing apples. And so everybody has seen all this footage of apples and they're probably like, wait a minute, how do I get some Oakwood apples? And you run to the store and they can't find an Oakwood Fruit Farm apple. And that's a common, I've had that question come up. So, can you help us understand if we're out in our stores tomorrow looking for, hey, how do I get Oakwood Fruit Farm apples? What should I be looking for?
Well, most of them are distributed through the Honey Bear brand or Mississippi Valley, and we work with a packer shipper out of Elgin, Minnesota, and they're open 12 months out of the year. And a lot of these grocery stores are wanting to go to just the same supplier to get their apples 12 months out of the year, whereas we just have a small window of time, 3 to 4 months, that we're shipping apples. And so we're shipping through them, we're filling our orders through them as they need the different types of apples sent out. We're packing them for them and we're using this label.
So essentially, the retail side says, hey, I know if I go to Mississippi Valley, I'm going to get good quality all the time.
Right.
It may not always be an Oakwood apple, but I know it's that quality.
Yes.
So that helps them 12 months out of the year. They can always have.
Yes.
Okay. Have apples available.
To be able to get local apples this time of year.
Yep.
That's how it would be.
So essentially, in the next 6 months, 5 months.
4 to 5, yes.
Okay. So for the next 4 to 5 months, if they see Mississippi Valley brand or the Honey Bear brand, and you go to your store and you see Mississippi Valley brand or Honey Bear brand, very likely that could be an Oakwood Fruit Farm apple.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Well, that helps us understand. You know, I remember back in the day when you'd find the paper bag, sometimes different places, and it's like, hey, we got Oakwood Fruit Farm apples, and I wasn't in Richland Center, you know.
Right.
So that was a find, but we're going to struggle to find that anymore.
Yes, you will, unless you come here to our store.
So that's the alternative.
Yes.
Is, hey, why don't you make the trip up to Apple Ridge and come on to the store and get to see everything that you're offering there as well.
Yes.
Because you don't get Oakwood apple cider donuts anyplace else.
Oakwood Fruit Farm.
There you go. So, from Oakwood Fruit Farm in Apple Ridge, I'm Marty Richards with Judy Lewis. Judy Alvin. Greg would get on me for that. I've known Judy a while,
yes.
so with Judy Alvin, my apologies, Greg. We hope to see you up here on the hill soon. Come check out apple cider's coming in on Friday of Labor Day, so you'll have it from that point forward. There's always donuts until the end of the day, so make sure you don't wait till the last minute or you may not get some. Don't want to be left out on that. Also come check out the caramel apples and all the other goods that are locally produced, or at least from the state of Wisconsin, in the sales floor there. So again, thank you for everything. Have a great day, folks.